Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am DastgeerTech and you are watching DastgeerTech Studio. Today I am going to show you how can install concept MongoDB with Node.js. Okay. First of all, open your code editor. Okay. Now open your folder where you want to store your Node.js backend. Okay. Here I'm creating a new folder name MongoDB. Okay, and open this folder. Select a folder. Now click on terminal and open new terminal. And here type npm init. Okay, you can see it's asking my package name. Okay, now type package name. I'm typing MongoDB connection. Sorry, we connect only on connection. Okay, now enter. Okay, DastgeerTech. Okay, type yes. Okay. Now you can see it's our package.json file. Now create a new file, index.js. Now we need some packages. Install Express and Mongoose. Express, Mongoose, and .env and Node. Sorry, npm. Forget npm. Okay, now packages install. Installing. Okay, now open index.js and type const express is equal to require express. Okay, now const .env is equal to require insert type .env. Okay, now create a new folder with config name. And also generate a file .env, and also generate a new file with db.js. Okay, now here const is equal to mongoose require Mongoose. Okay, Mongo db.connection okay, is equal to callback function Mongoose dot connect and type here process .env dot. Okay, open .env file and Mongo URI. Okay, copy this name and paste it here. Okay, now in curly braces Now use new URL parser. Okay. True. Now type here Mongoose dot connection dot on. Type here error. Now type here console.log. Type here mongoose dot connection dot once. Sorry, dot once. Okay. Okay. Now export this in this variable. Export this object or variable module dot export is equal to MongoDB. Okay, save this file and now okay, remove this unnecessary file and this insert in a line. Okay, code line. Now open MongoDB .env file and now open your MongoDB account. Now click on connect, cluster connect, and now connect your application and okay, go back and select connect your application. Okay, in this one. Now copy this and open your project and now replace your password and username. Okay. Okay. Now find username and password. Okay. Username is DastgeerTech. I'm using this. Replace username with your username and now password. Click on edit and edit password and we'll generate a new password. Copy this and now click on update user. Now paste your password here. Okay, now save this. Now open index.js file and type here .env .config. In curly braces type path. Path will be /config and /env. Okay. Now next okay, type const db connection is equal to require. Okay, now inside get path. Now db connection const app is equal to express. Now app.use use.express.json. Okay. Send middleware. Okay, now I create a server. Listen, sorry, app.listen. Now select your port. I'm selecting 300, 3000, and now create a callback function. Console.log, and inside console.log, server is running. Pass a string. Server is running. Okay. Now save this. Okay. What is next thing? Okay, next thing is open your captive.json file, and now remove this line and type here node index.js. Okay, test with def. Okay. Now dependencies, our dependencies is .env, Express, Mongoose, and Node.js. Okay. Our MongoDB setup has been completed. Now we can check it's working or not. Okay. Now type command npm run dev. Okay. Server is running. Okay, Mongoose is connected, so type here MongoDB. Okay, MongoDB. Now save this. Okay, you can see MongoDB is connected. Okay, if you have any problem, you can comment your problem. Okay, if you have any problem, you can ask them in comment. Okay, I will try to answer all the questions. Okay, no, it's working fine. Thanks. Okay, thanks for watching.